compact electric SUV. Punta lang tayo sa showroom. Dito sa Kia Pampanga. 2026 Kia EV5 GLS. Yung price, 2,698,000 pesos. Maganda yung design ng front fascia, modern and futuristic look. Full LED yung headlight with DRL. Wala nga lang fog light. May front camera, 18-inch alloy wheels. Naka-disc brake sa front and rear. Body color yung side mirror cover. May camera for 360 view. Equipped ng blind spot view monitor. Medyo mababa lang yung ground clearance para sa compact SUV. May keyless or smart entry system. Check natin yung interior. Leather and fabric seats. Power seat adjustment sa driver. Manual naman sa front passenger. Sa door panel, hard plastic. Soft leather naman sa armrest. Power window switch na automatic. 4-spoke leather wrap steering wheel. Naka-electric power steering to, kaya magaan yung feel. Tilt and telescopic adjust tong steering column. Push start button. Equipped ng paddle shifters. Full screen na yung gauge cluster. Pagdating sa visibility, okay naman. Medyo mataas yung ride height. Kitang-kita pa rin yung hood. Hindi rin sobrang kapal ng A-pillar, kaya less blind spot. 12.3-inch infotainment screen. May volume scroll wheel. Naka-dual zone automatic climate control. Premium and solid yung feel ng switch. May 2 USB port at 12-volt socket. Wireless charging pad. Iba yung transmission nitong EV5. Naka-single speed reduction gear. Soft touch yung center armrest. Walang storage space. Bench type yung front seat. Hindi ko lang sure kung useful ba to. Dampen yung glove box. May vanity mirror with light yung sun visor. Same sa front passenger. Equipped na to ng panoramic moonroof. Iset ko lang yung driver seat sa driving position ko. Check natin yung back seat. For reference lang, 5'7" yung height ko. Naka-leather and fabric seats. Sa door panel, hard plastic. Soft leather naman sa armrest. Power window switch na automatic. May AC vent sa B-pillar. Nakaset na to sa driving position ko, yung legroom. Maluwag yung knee-room. Nasa 6 to 7 inches pa yung allowance. May USB-C port sa likod ng driver and passenger seat. May coat hanger or sabitan. Yung foot space, makakapag-stretch ka pa. Flat yung floor, kaya mas okay yung foot space. May storage dito sa baba ng center armrest. Malaki na rin yung storage space. Okay naman yung foot space sa middle seat. May konting allowance pa. Comfortable din yung seating position kasi hindi matigas yung upuan. Yung headroom, nasa 4 to 5 inches pa. Okay naman yung seating position, hindi siya upright or 90 degrees kasi reclining seat naman to. May center armrest with cup holders. Check natin yung cargo space. Modern and boxy yung design ng rear end na maganda naman tignan. Full LED yung taillight. May reverse camera, parking sensor. Equipped na to ng power liftgate. Malaki na rin yung storage space. Equipped to ng vehicle to load outlet. Pwede mo siyang gamitin as power supply. Gusto ko yung ganitong may partition or storage bin. Mas organized siyang tignan compare sa free space lang. Nandito sa underfloor storage yung tire repair kit kasi wala tong spare tire. Check natin yung front trunk. Maliit lang yung storage space kasi nandyan yung electric motor. Malakas na rin yung power output para sa ganitong compact SUV. Pagdating sa driving range, nasa 550 kilometers. Mas mahaba yung range nito compare sa ibang competitor. Palike na lang and subscribe. Paalam.